morning students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to start the new chapter 2, number operation. So student, you are already know about how to do the addition. So those things already you learn from your lower classes. Okay. So at first we recapitulate those things, then we will start how to add the large numbers. Those things today I will discuss you. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, you see here, so let us recall. For adding two given numbers, we write the second number under the first number. So you see here how here actually these two numbers are, both numbers are 3-digit number. So at first you have to write the first number, and the second number you have to write that the second number under the first number. Okay, in such a manner that the digit line up in columns with one's digit in rightmost column, which is named as one's column. So simply suppose we are start to add the example 1 at 467 and 745. Okay, so you write down this number in such a way that the first numbers you write in the top, and then the second number under the first number. You have to write the second number under the first number in such a way or such a manner that the digits line up in columns with one's digit in rightmost column, which is named as one's column. So simply you write down this digit in place value chart. So hope student you remember when I discussed the first chapter numbers, there I told you that how the place value is very important to solve a numerical problem. You have to know the place value, because if you know the place value, then everything will be easy for you. So at first you write the number like this way: 4, 6, 7. So 7 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10 place, and 4 is in 100 place. Now your second number you write down this way: 7, 4, 745. So here 5 is in 1's place. So you see the in first number, this is the first number. So first number the 7 is in 1 place, and the second number the 5 is in 1 place. So now you start to do addition. So this is the addition sign, the plus sign is the addition sign. So how can we add? So here actually we make one line, because this then we can understand this ones, tens and 100 are the place of the digit. So now you start adding. So when you add, you always keep in your mind one thing: we always start from the extreme right. So right side means this side. So we start from extreme right side. So what is the digit is in 1's place, that we will see at first. So in first number the digit is in 1 place is 7, and then second number the digit is in 1 place is 5. So let's start addition of 7 and 5. So 5 plus 7, so it will be 12. Okay, so here you just simply write down 2 here, but you know that number is 12. So this is a 2-digit number. So you just simply write down 2 here, and once we'll go to that 10's place. So that is a carry. This one actually this is a carry. So you write here this is actually the carry. So the carry will go to the 10's place, and that one is will add with this number, this digit. Okay. So in 10's place you see the in first number is 6, the digit 6 is in 10's place, and the second number the digit 4 is in 10's place, and one carry is here. So this carry you have to add with this 2 digit. So now you start do addition. So 6 plus 4 it will be 10, plus 1, so it will be 11. So 11, so you write down 11, 1 is here, and that 11, so this is also the 2-digit number. So 1 you write down here, and the 1 carry will add with this 100 place. So what is the digit is in 100 place? This one will add with this. Okay. So now you start adding that 7 plus 4. So 7 plus 4 it will be 11 plus 1. So it will be 12. So now actually no more digit is left, or no more digit is left in the left side. So that's why simply here we will write the number with carry. Okay, so it will be 12. So simply you write down 12. Okay, so now we know what is the addition of 467 and 745. So 4, 6, 7 plus 7, 4, 5. So after addition we will get the result. It will be 1212. Okay, so see. So see here that this actually shows that how the step by step. You see this the carry, this color one are the carries, and you see this because after 100 place that there is no more digit is left, means no more digit is in 1000 place. So if you write in 1000 place here, so no more digit in here. So whatever carry after addition, whatever carry will left, that only we will write here. Simply you write down, because no more digit is here. So only simply you just because nothing is here means it is 0. So we just simply we write down whatever carry after addition you will get, only that value you just put it. Okay, so this way you have to do. So actually this is a repeating process till all the digits of the two numbers have been added properly and carry overs have been taken care of. Okay, so after learning the algorithm for addition, we can easily understand that we cannot add the given numbers without learning the concept of place value. So now you understand how that place value is important, because after learning the algorithm for addition, we can easily understand that we cannot add the given numbers without learning the concept of place value. So if you don't know what is the concept of place value, then it's mean you don't know how to add the given numbers. Okay, so these are the actually small digit numbers, so easily we can do like this way. But whatever if I'm giving you the large numbers, so that is actually more challenging, how to add addition of large numbers like the 6 digit number or more than 6 digit number. So today actually that's things we will learn, because up to this actually these things already you learn in your previous class, but new things is that the how to add of the large numbers, means the 6 or more than 6 digit numbers. So let's see. For adding large numbers, the easiest way is to list them in columns in place value chart. So you see here, see every time you see this place value chart is completely you knocked that how the place value is important. So you have to write this is the easiest way. If you write the number in the place value chart and then add only those digits that occupying the same place. So means whatever digit is occupying that place, only simply you add it and then we will get the result. So for example, let us find 9,24,596 plus 3,37,674. So how can you do the addition? So for this case, so this is our example 2. So we are adding, at first you write the number here. Okay, so this is 9,24,596 plus 3,37,674. Okay, now you simply, the first step is our, at first you write these two numbers is in place value chart. So you start make a place value chart at first to 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place. You see students, one thing, in between ones and tens place and tens to 100 plus, I am keeping some space, because if you write it in congesting, so it is difficult for addition. So that's why if you do like this way, then we can easily use that help us to show that exactly what digit is in that place. So that's for understanding we are doing this. Okay, so 1000 place and 10,000 place, and then lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Okay, so you start, because this number is a 9,24,000, so you start writing 9,24,596. Okay, so the second number, yes, the second number is 3,37,674. Okay, so now you start do the addition. So next step is our, you add only those digits that occupying the same place. So let's check. So we always start from the extreme right side. Okay, so let's start. This is our extreme right side. So you start this one place. What is the digit is in one place? Means what is the digit that occupying this one's place? So 6 and 4. So let's start do addition. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. So 0 you will put here, and 1 carry will add with that. What is the digit is in tens place? Okay. Now we start that. So now in this moment, that 9 and 7, these two digits are occupying this tens place, and 1 carry will also add here. So what is the after addition, what we will get? So it will be 17. So 7 you put here, and 1 you add with 1 carry will go to this 100 place. So same way you just add 5 plus 6, it will be 11. 11 plus 1 carry, so it will be 12. So you put 2 here, and 1 carry will go in 1000 place. So 1000 place, now you start do addition. So 7 plus 4, so it will be 11. 11 plus 1, so it will be 12. 2 you put here, and 1 carry will go to in 10,000 place. So in 10,000 place, the number is in 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and 1 is here, so 6. This is a one digit number, so you put 6 only, and no more carry is here. So nothing will go to in lakhs place. So now is the see the what is the digit is occupying the lakhs place. So 9 plus 3, so it will be actually 10, 11, 12. So it will be 12. So 2 you put here, and 1 carry will go to in 10 lakhs place. But you see in 10 lakhs place, no more digit is here. Only that carry will is add with this is go to in this place. So only one, whatever is digit is left here, you just put here 1. So let's check what is the answer is given in your book. It is matched with your answer or not. So see here, it will be 12 lakh 62,270. So see here, 12 lakh 62,270. So now your answer is matched with this with your book's answer. So now you understand how to solve this question. Okay. So next example is our. So up to this, you see this example, we are adding it two numbers. Okay. But here actually the second example is our add 3 numbers. Okay. So the first is that number is 1,67,438, 4,10,839 and 8,54,062. So 3 numbers are given. So how to add, then we will get the result. Okay. And so for this case also you have to write this number is in place value chart. So that this, because this is the easiest way to list them in columns in place value chart, and then you start add only those digits that occupy the same place. Okay. So at first you write down that what is the question is there. So here actually is asking about 1,67,438 438 plus 4,10,839 plus 8,54,062. So you start write those numbers is in place value chart. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So now you start writing those numbers in place value chart. So the first number is our 1,67,438. The second number is 4,10,839. Number third is 8,54,062. Okay. Now you start do the addition. So what is the digit is occupied in the ones place? 8, 9 and 2. Okay. So now let's do addition. 8 plus 2 it will be 10. 10 plus 9 it will be 19. So 9 you put here and 1 carry will go to in tens place. Okay. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So you put 3 here and 1 carry will go to in 100 place. 8 plus 4 plus is equal to 12. 12 plus 0 equals mean 12. 12 plus 1 equals to it will be 13. So 3 you write here and 1 carry will go in 1000 place. Now 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 it will be 11. 11 plus 1. So it will be 12. 2 here and 1 carry will go in 10,000 place. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 you write here and 1 carry will go to in lakhs place. Now in lakhs place 1 plus 4 is 5 or 5 plus 8 is it will be 13. So 13 plus 1 it will be 14. So 4 you write here and 1 carry will go to 10 lakhs place. Go to 10 lakhs place. But you see in 10 lakhs place no more digit is left previously, but 1 carry is only there. So you just simply that 1 carry only simply you write here. Okay. So now you check that your answer is right or wrong. Okay. So whatever answer is given in your book, 14,32,339. So 14,32,339. So your answer is matched with your book answer. So your answer is correct. Okay. So let's see the question number. Okay. So student, so this much example is given in your book. So that few question problem set 2A, some addition are given here. Two numbers, not the 2-digit number. These are the actually 6-digit number. So 2 numbers are given and here actually 3 numbers are given. So how to add? You have to do. Okay. So you try it. And that question number 3 is arrange in columns and add. So here actually the number is given. So arrange in column is telling about to write those numbers is in place value chart. So it make a column and then you start do addition and fill in the blanks. Some question are given. So 1 million equals to how much lakh, 1 kilometer equals to how much millimeter, 1 crore equals to how much million. So student, up to this you please do question number 1, 2 and 3, and in my next video I will tell about that all question answer, how to what is the answer I will provide you. At first you try it, because how to do the addition, these things already I have discussed here. Is at first you write the number is in place value chart and then you see that which digit is occupying the same place, then you start do addition. Okay, so this is the simple way to solve this question. Okay, so because we know that if you write the numbers using place value chart, that how that place value chart is help us to do. So when you write it and you can understand. Okay, because we can easily understand that we cannot add the given numbers without learning the concept of place value. So that's why that at first I discuss about the place value and face value, and then I start this chapter. So hope you understand how that concept of place value is how much important. So you do like this way. The first step is you write the place value chart and write the numbers. So write the numbers in the place value chart in columns, means that in place value chart columns. Okay, and then add only those digits that occupying the same place do. Okay, and remember one thing, if that carry is there, so you have to that taking care of those carry. Okay, taking care of those carry. Okay, so you please solve it. Question number problem set 1, 2, 3 up to this you please solve, and I will provide you that answer of those question. Okay, so thank you student, hope you understand. Take care, bye, have a good day.